Let's learn how to create a Canvas electronic gradebook with categories and items. First step we're going to go and do is click the assignments link in the default group of the course navigation menu on the left side of your screen. On the assignments page, you can select group or you can select assignment, depending on how you want to break things down. So for this, we're going to go ahead and click Add Assignment. And we're going to think of an assignment name. So we're going to decide to go with a self-reflection. Then we're going to go ahead and decide to give it a certain amount of points. With points and with weighted percentages, these go towards your final grade. But for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and use points. And we're going to give this 15 points. And we're going to assign it to, let's see, we're going to create a group. And the assignment group will be, we'll just say week 2. Add the group. Continue looking at the different parameters of how you want your course to be, your group's items to be set up. Do you want an online submission, paper submission, or use an external tool? So we'll go with online. And we will go with file uploads. So a person can submit a Microsoft document or another related file option. Number of attempts will be just 1. Continue down. This will be due April 2nd. Click Done. Available now until the end of April. And we click Save and Publish. And check the student view. And from the student's perspective, they will see a self-reflection will be due. When it's due, how many attempts are allowed to submit the final document, and they could just jump right in and start the assignment.